In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online fast. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money online fast. And something really important, guys, this is actually based on my experience. This is not something magical that is going to happen overnight. You need to watch the entire video, but most importantly, you need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success, and you need to be consistent with the implementation if you really want to get good results. And I'm going to be sharing everything so you have all the information about how you can make money online fast. And at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you if you decide just to watch this video or if you decide to go ahead and take some action. I hope you are going to be taking some action so you can, have a better future. Okay. So with that said, how you can actually make money online and why I'm recommending this. First of all, this is actually based on my experience and I recommend to do affiliate marketing. Basically, what we're doing is we and services in exchange of a commission. Why it's something that I tell you guys that you can do this fast? First of all, because you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to create your own service. You don't need to deliver it. There are thousands of companies out there who are looking for regular people just like you and me to promote their products and services. Diana, companies like which one? I'm pretty sure that you know Walmart. I'm pretty sure that you know about Best Buy, Target, Amazon, you name it. And there are marketplaces such as ClickBank. Here on ClickBank, you can find tons of products that you can promote. Okay. The other thing is that in my case, when I decided to go ahead and start with affiliate marketing, at that time, I had two full-time jobs. Okay. I had two full-time jobs and I can tell you that I was able to replace my two full-time jobs. I was able to pay my debts. But at the end of the day, it's going to depend on you. It's going to depend on your commitment. Okay. So that's something actually really important. So I can tell you that you can do this as a side hustle, or if in the future you would like to replace your regular 9 to 5, your full-time job, you can actually do that as well. Okay. So there are a couple of things that I want to take you guys into consideration. First of all, yes, you have tons of products that you can promote, as I already show you out there. But I suggest you to go and pick a niche. Okay, pick a niche. Be as specific. Which are the most profitable niches online? Are the health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. So those are the most profitable niches, but you can go and niche down. You're like, well, maybe I'm going to go with health. Okay. Maybe I want to go with people who are looking to lose weight. Okay. Maybe I'm going to be talking about to women because, I'm a woman. Okay. Maybe I want to be looking to talk to women over 30. Maybe I can be even more specific. Like I just want to talk to those who have already have a child and they want to go back and be in shape. Okay, as you can see, I can be really really specific of what my target audience is. Okay, because if you are trying to promote different products in different niches, it can be quite confusing, especially nowadays that people don't have much time and the lack of attention. People will need to resonate with you. People will need to resonate with your message. Okay. Then we need a product to promote, which is what we call an affiliate link. As you can see, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, ClickBank as a marketplace, ABC, Warrior Plus, Convention Junction, you name it. Nike, Under Armour, a lot of companies out there can give you this. Okay. They can give you a link so you can promote their product in exchange of a commission. Okay, you can promote multiple products, and I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment. But most importantly is that you need to be niche specific. Okay. You need to create content. And when you're creating content, you need to have something what we call a call to action. This can be nowadays short form content that you can put it on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, TikTok. It can be a long form content like this one. You can write content and you can put it on a blog. Okay. But the most important thing here is that we need to ask a call to action. We need to ask people to take action. Okay. So what we're doing, for example, right now, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. Those are call to actions. Okay. I'm telling you, if you want to learn more about this, where you can find it. If you want to keep learning about me, uh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay. So these are call to action. So I'm literally guiding people to take action. Okay. So now let me talk or share with you about my recommendations about this. Okay. These are my recommendations if you're really looking to earn money, but not like a dollar here, a dollar there. I'm talking about consistently. Okay. I'm talking about consistently. Okay. Okay. What most people do, and this is not my recommendation because affiliate marketing can do this. Okay. You have here the product that you're recommending. Okay. You have here a potential customer and here you are. So what most people do is that they are like, hey, are you looking for this information about this product? Okay. Use this link if you are okay with the information. And if the person make the purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. But this is what I consider the hit and miss strategy because you only have one opportunity. And if the person do not make their sale, make the purchase, you're not going to be earning the commission. And there is no way in which you can actually track that customer. And there is no way in which you can actually scale it, which is actually way more important. Okay. So yeah, does this actually works? Hey, if you find a product, let's say that you go right now to Walmart, you become an affiliate of Walmart and you find a product to promote and literally you recommend one of your family members and you tell that person to use your affiliate link, you're going to earn money. That person is going to make the purchase. Okay. And you're going to earn money, but that's it. There is no other way in which you can actually earn more money. Okay. So this works, but this is not sustainable. This is not the actual way to do it. Okay. So please follow my recommendations. Number one, you need to have or you need to build a two-step system. It's super simple, super easy. It's what we call a sales funnel. In a sales funnel, literally you are going to be capturing their people name and email address. Here we have what we call a bridge page. This can be some text or this can be video. And then we are going to be, we are going to be guiding them to the sales page. You don't need to create a sales page, okay? You don't need a website. You don't need something complicated. It's just as simple as this, okay? There is a tool that I'm using right now. It's an all-in-one marketing tool. If you want to open a free account, I'm going to be leaving a link below, which is called System.io. System.io, literally, you can open a free account, okay? And you can have your two-step system. Now, what else do you need? You need something that we call a lead magnet because we're going to be offering something here for free. So in exchange of this information, the potential customer is going to give us your name and email address. And don't worry, you don't have to deliver this. Okay. You don't have to deliver this one at a time. Like, hey, if someone's put their name and email at 5 a.m. in the morning, at midnight, do I have to wake up and do it? No. Systems are going to be doing this for you automatically. Okay. They're going to be doing this literally automatically. And the cool thing is that right now we're building a relationship because they know that we can provide them valuable information. There are tons of content that you can create out there, but if you want to have the faster result, you can create a product versus product. This comparison, articles, videos, you name it. Or you can also go with reviews. Okay. These are the type of products, content, sorry, that you can actually go ahead and do it. You can also create the type of content that I'm doing right now, which is education. Okay. Literally, I'm teaching you something. I'm showing you everything. Okay. And if you decide like, hey, this is for you, you are going to take the next step and learn more about it. Okay. I'm recommending also the tools and all the stuff. I'm pretty transparent with what I'm doing. But remember that you need to be consistent. It's not like, hey, I'm going to be doing one review out there and I'm going to be a millionaire. No, that's not how it works. Okay. The more reviews you have out there, and you can do as many reviews as you want about the same product. The same with the comparisons. Okay. Is there is something you want to compare since, let's say in a specific feature, or if you want to compare based on prices, or if you want to compare based on how much the battery run, you know, you can do that. Okay. You can also make sure that you're going to have products with value ladder. If not, you will need to create it because this is how it actually works. Okay. Here, people are going to put their name and email address. So you can be talking about these products, the same one that we're talking, let's say on these emails, you're going to be talking about these products, but also you can be talking about other products, other services. Okay. Maybe here you're offering a free trial. And if there's that person, make a purchase. This is, let me show you how the value ladder works. Okay. It's going to be something like this. There are products that have it. If they don't have it, but you like it, you can do it, but you will need to have other products on the back end. Okay. Everything is started something like this. This can be free. Maybe this is going to be a $17 product. Okay. Maybe this is going to be $297. Okay. Maybe this product here is 2,000. And let's say this one is 10,000. Okay. So with all these products, you are going to be earning commission, and everything is started with something for free. Okay. So this is how actually the value ladder works. Okay. If someone make this very first purchase, they have more opportunities to make these other purchases as well. Okay. So actually, this is actually really, really good. And you need to take this into consideration. Okay. So you can have repeat customers. Okay. And you're going to have the potential of earning more. Okay. With that says, okay, something really important is that you can do email marketing. Here, this is something that we do automatically. But every now and then, maybe there is a Black Friday promo, just as an example. You can be like, hey, I'm going to be sending an email or a couple of emails because we're running this special sale. This is something that we call newsletter or broadcast email. Okay. And, people are going to be getting this information and this information automatically. This is actually how the magic happened. And because you can promote different products, this is what most people said, like, hey, I'm literally wake up with a commission. I'm making money while asleep. Yeah, because they do have a system in place. They understand this. Okay. They partner with different companies. We have multiple products. But again, remember, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below, which is going to be my number one recommendation to make money online. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.